Hello there. In Shona we say Murisei. Welcome back to Shona Land, and today we'll be teaching you the Shona alphabet and vowels. So let's get started. As you all know, the Shona alphabet is it's always like 90% similar to the English alphabet. But they are letters which are not used in the Shona alphabet. And what are those letters? So the Shona alphabet does not include the letter L, the letter Q, and the letter X. So these are the three letters which are not included, which are in the English alphabet but are not in the Shona alphabet. So it's something that is worthwhile noting, because there is no word in Shona that consists of these three letters. So this means the Shona alphabet consists of 23 letters. And of these 23 letters, we have consonants and vowels within this alphabet. So the Shona vowels are, as you can see on the screen, A, E, I, O, and U. So these are the Shona vowels, and the rest are consonants. So in order for you to make up words or to make up Shona words, you will need to combine consonants and vowels. So the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels. As you can see now, I have separated the vowels from the alphabet, and so what's remaining are the consonants. So in Shona, in order for you to formulate words, you need to combine consonants and vowels. So some words starts with consonants, some words starts with vowels. It all depends with which Shona word you're talking or you are using. So right now I'm going to explain to you how you pronounce the vowels in Shona. So let me start with A. A in Shona, you pronounce it as A. A. And then we go to E. In Shona, you pronounce it as A. 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 And then you go to I. In Shona, you pronounce it as E. 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 And then you go to O. In Shona, you pronounce it as O. 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 And then you go to U. In Shona, you pronounce it as U. 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 So this brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you liked it. So in the next videos, we'll be teaching you the different combinations that you can make with the consonants and vowels to make up Shona words. So stay tuned, and please look out for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Cheers.